Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a brand new video and it's going to be my empties. I've had these for so long and I really didn't realize how much they were building up. So I'm actually not going to waste any time here because we have so much to go over. So if you're not subscribing though, hit the button down below. That's going to help you stay up to date with my channel. So I'm just going to jump right in here. I did finish a thing of vitamins. So I use the Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nail Gummies. Totally obsessed with these. Like, they really do work. My hair is so long, and this is all my own hair, and it's never been in such great condition, so definitely these work. My nails are always long. My skin is, knock on wood, pretty good too. So I recommend buying to the exclusive value size, and they're only like $15, so way cheaper than like those Sugar Bear ones and that kind of thing. The next thing staying with hair, the next thing I used up was this, and I've talked about this all the time, is the OGX Coconut Miracle Oil. Love this. Helps make my hair shiny. I wear it every single day. It says that it drenched dry damaged strands with the secret of Maui. Just makes my hair really shiny, hydrated, helps with split ends. Really enjoy this. It's affordable too. It's only like $7. Okay, now we're gonna be like all over the place. Moving, I guess, staying with hair. I tried this, the Hask Argan Oil from Morocco Repairing Conditioner. I'd pass on this. Like, I don't think it did anything crazy. I wasn't like a huge fan of it, so it's a pass for me. The next thing, I guess we'll move to makeup. Finally used this up. I'm obsessed with this, and it was the e.l.f. Green Corrector Crayon Stick. So this was Correct the Red, and it really did work to correct the red. I'm using another one right now, and I don't find it works as well. But this did a really good job of correcting the redness I had on my face, probably like right here and right there. Really easy to blend too, and affordable. I think it was only like $5 or $6, so I really did like that. I didn't repurchase because I tried the Joe Fresh one for like $1.50, but I would repurchase this. The next thing I used up was the Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. Did not like this at all. I found it got really like putty consistency on my skin and would bunch up, or not bunch up, but I'd get like all these little like, I don't know, it felt like gummy, and I really didn't like this. I would never repurchase this. Actually, I'm so glad this is gone because I don't like to waste products, but I don't like using this at all. Never repurchase. Two, or kind of like 3 sponges that I used up were these 2 little ones from Real Techniques. I love these. This one you can see was really good for color correcting. I used that because it would go like right here and it was easy to blend. I use this for my under eye, and it's just really good because it has like a nice point and you can really blend it in. I really like those little sponges because you get lots of detail. And sorry, my cat is like crying. Hopefully he'll shut up. And then I use this sponge. I got it in like a beauty box, and I just would use it for my under eye for my powder. I like a separate sponge for my powder. I'm just very like, need separate things. So another product I used up was the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Coconut Water Primer Stick. I love using this in the summer, especially when it was really hot, because it just made your skin feel really nice and cooling. Has like a really cooling, refreshing, it was kind of like green. There was a fair amount of product in here. Like, took me a while to use it up, but I really liked it. Like, I would purchase it again. It didn't really do anything for like long lasting or pores, but I didn't think it was that bad of a primer. Also used up this Love Beauty and Planet Shea Butter and Sandalwood. So I was sent this by Chick Advisor. I'd never tried this brand, but it was like everywhere, like at Walmart, the grocery stores, and this was the body wash, and it was for an indulgent moisturizer. I thought it smelled really good. I did like it. Like, I would repurchase it. I think you get quite a bit in this, but I really did like that, and it's gone. This is like one of my holy grail skincare items. I already have a new one. I am trying to try different products though, so I'm not using it right now, but I think I probably need to start soon. And it is the Vichy Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. So this is like a clear, kind of like a clear serum to put on your skin. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and I really, really like this. I thought it did a great job of like keeping my skin looking good. I love Vichy. I think like not enough people talk about Vichy, to be honest. Sticking with skin, I have the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Mud Mask, and this was a 15-minute charcoal mask. I really like that. I thought it was purifying. It says it's pore clearing, glow revealing mask. I agree. Really did like that. Okay, so I just ran out of space. So things look a little bit different, that's why. And I actually am using my ring light today. I think I need to use that a little bit more. So I just talked about skincare stuff. So something else that I really liked was the Pure Lisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Adore Serum. Pure Lisse is one of my favorite brands. And I really like this I used it, I think, at night. Yes, I did. For underneath my eyes. I didn't notice like any crazy results, but it did not make them feel dry, which is good. Another thing I used up, and this is special, my friend actually put this, I'm one of the bridesmaids in her wedding. Her wedding shower was actually today, but she gave me this in like my little bridesmaid kit, and it is the Bath & Body Works Essential Oils Almond and Vanilla, and this was the body wash with olive oil. It smelled really good, and I did notice a difference between this line and like, you know, like Sugar Cookie Kiss stuff from Bath & Body Works. I don't even think that's a flavor, but I thought this was actually like hydrating, and I didn't mind putting this on my skin. It feels like it was like a really big one too, compared to the other ones. I used up this shaving cream, so it's the Gillette Satin Care Dry Skin. I really like this because I have dry skin, but shaving cream is kind of like shaving cream to me. I'm not like one of those like snobs. I used this. I feel like it took forever. I did like an influencer video on this like months ago, I feel like. Years ago now, I almost feel like. And it's the L'Oreal Revitalift Bright Reveal Brightening Scrub Cleanser. I really like this, but I found it was just a little too harsh every day because it had like exfoliating beads, which technically you don't need to exfoliate every day. It did take my makeup off, but I couldn't imagine, like I only use this in the morning. I could not imagine using it at night, like, but it did, like I really did like it. I don't think I'd repurchase it looking back, but I did like it, and like a bunch of my family members used it too, so I think they really liked it. An old classic, which is totally YouTube, was the Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Tamer Spray. People have been using this forever, and there's a reason why. It's really good. I do like it when I try not to use heat on my hair, but when I do, I will use that. I didn't even know. Clearly, I hoard empty products, but this Someday by Justin Bieber Swept Away Hair Mist, I used all that up. I must have just like put it in my hair when I was going out, which I would never do anymore. So I didn't use this up. Like you can see there's quite a bit still left, but I've used enough of it. And this is the Lush The Kiss Lip Scrub. It's just too old. It's from like, it's like expired by 2 years. And yeah, I did like this. I found that the tub is just too big though. I think like they can make smaller tubs, but I wasn't crazy about it, but that was all the products I used up. So you guys can see I used a lot of like hair, body care, and skincare. A little bit of makeup, better than usual, but I still am on my quest to use up makeup. Feels like everything goes at the same time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this empties video. Let me know what you guys have used up lately. Don't forget to like this video, and also if you're not subscribing, don't forget to do that too. So I thank you for all your love and support, and I hope you have a great day.